Welcome. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal for Rockwell Automation and our partner network magazine. I'm talking with Adam Booth, Flow Product Manager with Endress+Hauser, which is a Rockwell Automation Strategic Alliance partner. It's great to see you, Adam. Thanks for joining me today.
It's great to see you too, Teresa. Thank you for inviting me.
So I have a lot of questions, but first let's start by describing what Endress+Hauser does.
So simply put, Endress+Hauser partners with our customers to solve the world's biggest challenges by providing world-class instrumentation, service, and solutions.
Now I want to ask you about the Proline Promag W800 battery-powered electromagnetic flow meter for the water industry. Talk about its applications for me and the advantage of the battery power, what that provides.
Yeah, it's a great question. So our new Proline Promag W800 is based on a uniform device concept. So that means that you get both simplicity and usability. It's really the ideal solution for remote rural areas where traditional power may not be available. You could think about distribution networks, irrigation systems, and transfer stations, any type of water. So it could be river water, city water, you name it.
And what are some of the key features?
The really cool thing about this device is that it utilizes our tried and true Proline Promag W electromagnetic flowmeter sensor that's been in the market for decades. This sensor is available up to 24 inches in line size, which is really quite a feat for a battery-powered flowmeter when you think about how much energy is required to power a sensor that's that large. Another really nice thing about this sensor is that we offer optional NEMA 6P IP68 submergence rating, along with a corrosion protection, which meets ISO 12944. Really, all that means is that this sensor can be submerged underwater and even directly buried in the ground. One of my favorite features of the new transmitter is the Bluetooth functionality. So we as Endress+Hauser have developed our own Bluetooth app called SmartBlue. This allows you to connect to the transmitter and perform commissioning and troubleshooting. Talking about troubleshooting, all of our flow meters, including the new Promag W800, includes what's called heartbeat technology. One of the most important pieces of heartbeat technology is heartbeat verification. This allows for on-demand internal verification of the entire measuring chain, from the sensor all the way up to the transmitter, the electronics, and even the output. And the really cool piece about this verification is the report itself, which generates as a PDF, and that can be exported via our SmartBlue app via Bluetooth. And the one unique feature about this verification is that it's both traceable to ISO 9001 and it's attested by a third-party notifying body, TUV. And those are just to name a few of the really cool features on this new transmitter.
And I'm also curious about Endress+Hauser's Natillion Water Network Insights. I know that's unique. It's a unique solution. Can you tell me about the importance of that?
Yes. So I'll back up and first kind of explain what sort of communication options are offered with our new Promag W800. We offer a wide variety of communication protocols and flexibility to meet pretty much all of our customers' needs and requirements they might have. So those range from needing just a simple pulse output or a simple Modbus RS-45, all the way up to the full-blown Natillion Water Network Insights, which is really creating and providing an infrastructure for a customer to access all of the data coming from our flow meter wirelessly over a cellular radio network. So when we talk about the cellular radio network, we offer what's called a cellular radio module, which is internal to the transmitter. And we even go as far to offer our own Endress+Hauser eSIM card for those customers who may not already have a SIM card or may not already have a network set up. So we can provide the full-blown solution, and again, meeting any of the requirements our customers might have. And the really unique thing about Natillion Water Network Insights is that it's not only applicable to our instrumentation. So it can include third-party devices such as pumps and valves, and then we take all that data to our cloud. We'll host that data for our customers and then provide them an online dashboard to view all this data. And it's not just, measured variables or pump speed. It really includes the diagnostics, the monitoring, and that heartbeat verification piece that I had already mentioned. So it's a really, really cool solution that includes a lot behind it.
Well, clearly there's a lot going on here, a lot more than we can talk about today. So how can people get more information about this flow meter?
Yeah, so we obviously have our website, our Endress+Hauser USA website, and that includes all the brochures, all the technical documentation, all the data sheets on the new Proline Promag W800 and the Tillion Water Network Insights. But I would also like to point viewers to our Endress+Hauser Group YouTube channel. We have a lot of really nice promotional videos on there, along with technical troubleshooting videos. And we are also very active on LinkedIn and other social media platforms. I would love to connect with you and answer any more questions that you may have about any of our technologies.
Great, Adam. Thank you. This has been really valuable information, and I appreciate you being here.
Yes, I really appreciate you inviting me, Teresa. Thank you.
I'm Teresa Hauk with the Journal Magazine, and we'll talk again.